What is going on, everybody? So this is day 2 of the MyFundedFutures 50k valuation account. So tonight I actually made 1k off of this simple trade following trade right here that I took around 10:05 and I sold right at the top. So first things first, we were obviously consolidating with not much clear direction. So what prompted me to buy was really saw all this imbalance right here, and saw obviously this retracement of that lower Bollinger Band as well as this previous high breaker, whatever you want to call it. So obviously we were hitting some critical key levels in the market, and the reason why I entered here and not off the Bollinger Band was because if we go to the M-Quant Tower, so it was around 10:05 when I took my entry right here. So yeah, obviously if you take a look at the volume profile, 10:05, it was nothing but green candles, and nothing but green candles even before that as well. And if we take a look at 10:05 right here, we got huge reversal candle as well, as you guys can see. You got this hammer stick cluster going on over here. So that was really prompted me to go long. And if you look at a delta on overall volume, overall just eating up the bears, all the sellers. So it was a battle between aggressive buyers and passive selling, really. And also here too, we got sellers absorbed around like an hour right before. So that was kind of a reversal signal, but this one was a pretty fair match of volume traded as well. So that was not really, A plus reversal or indicator really at this point. And I entered off of this imbalance right here, paired with the break of this swing high right here. So if you're familiar with ICT or whatever, you got swing low or liquidity sweep, whatever you want to call it, and you've got relative swing high as well right here. So these were all broken down in tandem with the Bollinger Band going up, and that alongside the footprint chart confirmation, you can see obviously the intent to want to go higher from here, paired with the Bollinger Band and the retest of previous highs, whatever you want to consider it as. A lot of ways to perceive the stock market, and for me, I also try to play the mean reversion really. So yeah, if you take a look at even a higher time frame, like 15-minute, 1 hour, you can see all this huge imbalance right here. So in my mind, I was looking for a long setup, because when you have an imbalance like this in a ranging market, I tend to look for reversals rather than short-term reversals, rather than trying to ride the wave. Because when you see this in a chop market, then obviously you're not gonna try to catch a falling knife, or you're not gonna try to catch or ride the wave or anything like that. You just gotta think logically about the markets. You gotta try to understand price, volume, and the intent really. So that is day 2 for my funded futures challenge.